Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we've got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got that beauty right. Yeah, don't give it that touch, don't give it that. Don't give it that feeling, don't make you feel lovely. Yeah, yeah.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love.
That beauty. In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty. Looking good and looking nice.
That beauty. Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day. That beauty. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. I'm so blessed with the blessings of God. I'm so blessed with the blessings of God. Anyone I touch surely must be blessed. I am so blessed with the blessings of the Lord. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty. Looking good and looking nice. That beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
That beauty.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. Ha. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup, gele time, and a lot more. Just call on Deck Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide, international connection. She's there, always available. Epa mi ra papa foba ugo, ọba terere. Kárí ayé.
Everybody look, see what the Lord has done.
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 Look, see what the Lord has
Put
done.
it in, put it in, put it in, put it in, put it in,
We love you. Take it. All the Deck Beauty fans in the world. Deck Beauty is sending bunch of love to you all. Receive love, receive beauty. Ragabambo.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty. Looking good and looking nice. That beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
That beauty. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty. Looking good and looking nice. That beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Oh Samudia me, oh I say no me yemu me, oh I just to ke mudia ni me fo, oh Samudia no ma ayete, megide, no Samudia now, oh I no Samudia now, no Samudia now.
Mutiana, any day.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup glow.
Deputy.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Deputy.
Looking good and looking nice.
Deputy.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Deputy.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup glow.
Deputy.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Deputy.